And therefore, we are all wired intrinsically to have a bias one way or the other. We either bearish or bullish. And we can all say that I have no bias whatsoever, but I think when you're really honest with yourself, that's not true. We all have biases. And it really will be determined and dictated by what your experiences have been with the market. In my personal case, you're looking at a chart right here that, boy, it looks like it's a great bull market, right? And this candle right here, this day, February 23rd, 2007, right? Almost 10 years ago was the date of my very first trade, my very first options trade, I will say. I had read, I'd studied, I'd demoed, I'd practiced, I'd been ready to put some money on the line. And I did like all new, good options traders do. I put on a really nice size position because, of course, I got this figured out, right? It's simple. It's easy. I'm smart. I got this. And what happened? That happened. And it gave me such a horrible experience. It was emotionally and psychologically, it was physically upsetting to me from a biological perspective. All right, I literally got nauseous when this happened, and yet that was the beginning of a lot of activity in the market. That if I zoom this out just a little bit, we can obviously see that when we look at 2008, then this began to happen. Well, right back here was that date that I experienced the most amount of pain I've ever experienced in my whole trading life. And so therefore, what do you think my personal intrinsic bias is? Do you think I'm intrinsically bullish on this market? Mm-mm. I am always favoring the bearish side because that's my emotional connection and attachment to trading. Now, that being said, I know objectively and statistically that the stock market traditionally is intrinsically bullish. It goes up more often than it goes down, but when it goes down violent and fast and without warning. So I think it's important to recognize and maybe ask yourself that question. What are you? Even if it's 55-45, you're going to find that you are either intrinsically a little bearish or intrinsically a little bullish.